The P2610 code in the Mazda CX-5 is a common problem that lights up the check engine light but doesn't cause any other issues, and there is a ton of unrelated information on the internet. The problem is in 99.9% of cases in the failing 12-volt battery. The code indicates the problem with the engine off timer in the engine control unit, whatever that means, but the problem happens when you crank the engine and the battery voltage drops sharply because the battery is quite weak. This sets the codes in the ECU, but if you drive on a highway for some time, the check engine light will most likely turn off. Anyway, this is a strong call for battery recharging or replacement. The best solution would be to charge the battery with a good external charger till it's full, then go to any reputable car parts store and ask for a free battery test. They will load test the battery and you will certainly know if it can last for some more time or not. Also keep in mind that after you charge or replace the 12-volt battery, it may take several driving cycles to clear the code unless you clear it with an OBD scanner. Fortunately, there is no need to go and have the car inspected and pay money for repairs.